Hi guys, quick question. Kaya mo ba ang 7,982 down payment para sa sarili mong kondo? Yes! Down payment pa lang yan for Monte Carlo East Antipolo. Ito yung pre-selling condo na super budget friendly and perfect for starters or investors. Located sa Sumulong Highway, so access to transportations, malls, schools, lahat andyan na. At ang maganda dito, sobrang gaan pumasok dahil mababa talaga yung DP. Studio unit, 22 square meter, walk-up condo type. May clubhouse, swimming pool, gardens, jogging paths, kumpleto sa amenities. Gated at may 24/7 security, kaya safe and peaceful ang lifestyle. Kung gusto mong malaman ang full breakdown, based sa income mo, join ka sa pre-viewing para makita mo yung actual site. Message mo lang ako ng viewing.